Sit-ups are a fundamental exercise, a staple in the world of fitness, designed to strengthen your core muscles, particularly the abdominal muscles. When done correctly, they can enhance your stability, improve your posture, and even contribute to better athletic performance. But let's break it down, because if you're going to do sit-ups, you want to do them right. First, find a comfortable space on a flat surface. A mat is ideal, but if you don't have one, a carpet will do. Lie down on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Your feet should be about hip-width apart, and it's crucial that they stay planted throughout the movement. You don't want to be flailing around like a fish out of water. Now, place your hands behind your head, but don't interlock your fingers. That's a common mistake. Instead, keep your elbows wide and your neck relaxed. You're not pulling yourself up by your neck. You're engaging your core. Think of your abs as the engine driving this movement. As you prepare to lift, take a deep breath in. This is important. Breathing helps stabilize your body and provides the necessary oxygen for your muscles. As you exhale, engage your core. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. This is where the magic happens. Now, lift your upper body off the ground. Your goal is to bring your chest towards your knees, not to sit all the way up. Keep your movements controlled. You don't want to rush through this. It's not a race. As you rise, focus on using your abdominal muscles rather than your hip flexors. If you feel your hips doing the work, you're not doing it right. When you reach the top of the movement, pause for a moment. Hold that position. Feel the contraction in your abs, and then slowly lower yourself back down. Control is key here. Don't just flop back to the ground. That's not effective and can lead to injury. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, depending on your fitness level. If you're just starting, it's okay to do fewer reps. Quality over quantity. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of repetitions or add variations, like twisting your torso at the top for an oblique workout. Remember to listen to your body. If you feel pain in your lower back, it might be a sign that your form is off, or you might need to strengthen your core further before attempting sit-ups. And don't forget to stretch afterward. Your muscles will thank you. So, there you have it. Sit-ups are simple but effective when done correctly. Embrace the process, stay consistent, and you'll see the results in no time.